Hello again. It is the same day, which I didn't say in the last one, July 13th, and it's Saturday. Um, we were in this store, that's why I'm showing it. Went and bought a few groceries. Got some bread for $2.98, which is like Dempster's bread, which, if you know the brand, you know it. It can be $4 or $5 per loaf, but it was $2.98 here. Picked up some bologna and a couple other things. Some water uh, flavor stuff. The stuff you put drops into your water with. And I can't remember. Bacon. They had bacon for $2.99, so we bought a pound of that. Or it's not really a pound. It's 375 grams, and a pound is 524. So, a third of a kilogram maybe. Um, and I don't know if there was anything else, but anyways, it came to 20 something dollars, and not a bad store. It was. We went in because we just wanted to look at it for one thing, and and also to get out of the heat a bit, just for a little while. Gary's lying down now. He's really not feeling good, and we've had lunch, and hopefully that helps him, sort of get over the heat. I think it's the heat. I'm not sure. It could be just the stress of the day before when he was changing batteries out. I mean, at our ages, it's really hard to tell what it is that's bothered you. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna just sit here and probably write in my journal for a bit, and then maybe play some cards or something. Oh, I've got a fishing derby to do in my Animal Crossing. Maybe I'll go and do that and not write in my journal. That'd be more fun, anyways. So I will, if we do anything else, right now we're just sitting here. Gary's having a rest, like I say, and the dog, of course, is with him. And we have the front curtains, hang on, I'm moving you. I have the front curtains turned closed, which really helps to keep it cooler in here. It's actually not bad in here. There is a bit of a breeze outside, so it cross breezes through the motorhome. Um, so yeah, so it makes it a little. It's not hot. I mean, we're not sweaty hot in here right now. So so this is a good thing. So we're gonna sit here for a while Gary has a rest, and then I don't know what we're gonna do. Whether we're gonna stick around this area, or we're gonna go back to the other area, or what we're gonna decide to do. We may look at Costco and stay overnight at Costco. I'm not sure. We have to stay in the area for. I looked at my calendar, and it's actually 2 weeks that we have until we get our big money again, which makes sense because it's only the 13th. And then we will be deciding from there what we're going to do. So I will talk to you either later today or maybe tomorrow and let you know what's going on. Oh, hello everyone again. It's still the 13th of July. It's still Saturday. It's evening, getting on there. It's heading on to 6 o'clock now. Bree's having her dinner. We have to wait for her before we can leave. So we're going to head back to where we were before at the Walmart. I don't know. We'll go see. I don't know where we're going. Besides, a little bit crazy. Yeah, we've been kind of sitting in the parking lot at that Food Basics store for the day, because we don't really have anywhere else to go. So, yeah, there's Bree having her dinner. She enjoys it when she decides she's going to eat. Tonight she was hungry, so she's eating right away. Sometimes she leaves her food until we toss some human stuff into it. Doesn't have to be much. Sometimes it only is just a little bite, and then she'll get into her food and eat it and do a good job of cleaning up. Anyway, when she's done eating, we'll be able to leave. I'm kind of stuck sitting at the table. Gary's sitting in the front seat already waiting, and yeah, we've got mostly everything put away. I'll put a couple of things away on the counter just to make sure they don't fly off and and scare the dog. Because, you know, our thing is all about the dog. Is that good supper, Bree? All done, she says. We can go now. All right, I guess that's it. That's my cue to shut this down. Talk to you later. Hello, everyone. I have no idea what time it is. Hang on. Maybe I can get my clock to work. 12:01 apparently. Sunday, 14th of July, I think. Anyway, we are in Grimsby. It's quite a sizable town. Gas here is 158.9 at the Canadian Tire. The huge Canadian Tire over kind of behind us. Got a Shoppers Drug Mart over in that direction. Big Sobeys over here. And the rest of the town has lots of other things in it. Several malls. Haven't seen a Walmart. Don't think there's one here. Gary's gone in. We've been looking for about 2 hours, maybe longer than that. Since about 8 o'clock this morning, so that puts us at 4 hours. We've been looking for a place to dump our tanks and get some water. We are completely out of water, and we need to dump our tanks. Both black and gray are pretty full by now. So we have been trying to find somewhere that we can just dump our tanks and get some water. Now, in this area, I don't know about the rest of the place, but in this area, they don't have any just dump stations where you can go to and just do that. There is some place, and I can't remember the name of it now, some kind of a disposal something or other center, and we're trying to find where that is. It's apparently outside of Grimsby someplace. After that, we're going to try and see if we can hang out in this area, but I'm not sure where we're going to be able to park at night to sleep. So we're going to have to figure that out. But we're going to try and hang out here because that's this much closer to heading off to Peterborough at the end of the month. We do have 2 weeks to hang around, so it could be a thing, but we're going to try. Anyway, thought I'd bring you up to date a little bit, let you know what's going on. I see Gary's coming back across the parking lot. He's got something in his hand. I'm not sure what it is. Doggo has seen him coming. She's on her way to the door. She always goes to the door as soon as she sees him come out. Or if she senses him come out. Sometimes he's not even out the door yet. Just hang on, where is he? There he is. He's got some directions, or he's got something in his hand, not sure what. And yeah, so I'll see. Look at where we are. This is still Sunday. I think it was the 13th or 14th, maybe. The 14th. We're just actually getting ready to pull out. We've been here for a few hours. We were plugged into electricity. We got our sewer dumped. For being here for supposedly a day on a day pass and being able to get everything dumped and everything, hang on. We were here, it cost us $24.01. And these are the people's place next to us. There's lovely trees everywhere. I didn't go outside. It poured rain. It was a lovely and sunny day until we got here, and then of course it poured rain. We no sooner got ourselves more or less hooked up, and we came in to enjoy the air conditioning inside, because it was quite hot outside. And within 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, yeah, it started to pour rain. So, so that was nice. Loads and loads of birds. There's a robin on the ground out there, if you can see her. Just coming kind of toward the motorhome. But anyway, yeah, we quite enjoyed it. We caught up on our bookkeeping that we have to do, and we're going to head to Hamilton. We have had it on good authority. The conservation guy here that Hamilton has a Walmart that we can go park in. So we'll drive into Hamilton. Well, hopefully we can park in it. I don't know if he knew we could or he was guessing. Anyways, we'll go into Hamilton and hopefully we can park there. And we'll be in the Hamilton Burlington area for a couple of weeks because we don't have a lot. We barely have enough fuel to last us. I think we got a little tiny bit of money left that we can use for fuel later on, I hope. And that's about it. The $24.01 kind of destroyed one bank account, that's for sure. Anyway, yeah, so we're going to take off and go to Hamilton Walmart and see what's there and what Hamilton's like. They apparently are also having homeless problems. All the areas here are now having homeless problems because Toronto decided to ship their problem off to other cities in the area by loading the homeless people onto buses and busing them. Now, they're not homeless like us. These are the drug addicts and the drinkers and those people. And I'm not going to say anything, give my opinion on any of it, but they are being bussed into other places, put into their downtown areas, which is basically destroying their downtowns, so that now they have drug paraphernalia and broken bottles and stuff all over their downtown parks, which is lovely. So anyway, we are going to take off now. I wanted to show you, look at these people have here in their front. They are obviously here for a while because they have flowers at their front driveway, which I thought was adorable. They carry them with them, obviously, and put them out. They have flowers at their front. There's another motorhome somewhere down the road here I saw. They had them as well. So anyway, we're off and running, and we'll talk to you all later. Bye. I needed to show you this big neighborhood we were in. So pretty. All the big, huge houses that we just went by. We're going to be going by more because we're on a circle, apparently. Turn right, then turn right. We keep hearing, and there is no right. But look at these places. Even the small places are big. Like, look at them. This is just so pretty. I'm going to show you the street in front. Look at this. Even the townhouses, like up ahead, we've got town. Looks like row housing kind of thing. But these are like small, very crowded together, of course. You know, because you got to crowd in every little thing you can. But, you know, I'm just showing you. Just look at them. They're all bricks, stone. But pretty much every one of them is different from the others. I haven't seen very many of them that look identical, you know. Very, very nice, very nice. Looking at all the cars in the driveways, none of them are cheap, and none of them are broken up. You don't have anything rusty in this area, I'll tell you that. No. You want a rusty old piece of crap, you keep in your garage. But there's a garage with no rusty piece of crap in it. Not really sure where we're going, but we are heading to Hamilton. This is where the girlfriend took us. She didn't. No, this was Gary going off on another one of his. I think I better turn here. He does that. He says this doesn't look right, so I think I'll turn here. You know, with the girlfriend and I both saying that's probably not a good idea, but you know.
400 meters, turn right, then turn right.
There, 400 meters, turn right, then turn right. Oh dear, this one's got a ramp into it, which is kind of cool. Yeah, it's gorgeous. I love this neighborhood. Look at that house at the end. Why can't I live in a big, nice house like this? Never. It never has happened, and it probably never will. 400 meters. That's around the corner. We're going around the corner, round the corner. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, that's a road over there for sure. I think the big road is somewhere over in that direction too. Here we are, going around the corner. Somebody's got mortgages written on their lawn.
Turn right, then turn right.
Turn right where? There's, no real spot to turn right. Anyway, I thought I'd take you along and let you see the neighborhood. We went past one place that was all black cars in front of it. It was kind of odd. There was black cars in the driveway, and there was all sorts all over the road. So yeah, it was kind of different. But turn right, then turn right, honey.
I'm gonna turn right.
Here we go. All,
All,
yeah, they're doing something up there. They got a wedding or a funeral or a party or something. There's something going on. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of look at that place up the end there. We're driving toward. We're on Halifax Road right now, going up to the corner. But look at that house. That house is big. No matter how you slice it, that's a nice big house. That's the kind of house I need because I got so much crap that I need to put on walls and decorate and put in beautiful cases and things like that. So around the corner we go, around and around the corner. Coming up to where we probably should have gone before. I am going to shut this off. Ooh, look at that house. That's a big house. I don't know if you can even see the houses or if I'm jerking the camera around too much, but Gary will take it out if it doesn't show. So we will talk to you later when we get to wherever we're going. There we are. Another Walmart. Another town. I believe we're in Burlington. Hamilton wasn't conducive to us staying over, let's put it that way. There was no place that we could find that would let us sleep there. This one did. We phoned them. They said, yes, we do allow overnighters, which made us quite happy. So we're sitting in kind of in the middle of the parking lot, as you might be able to see. We're kind of in the middle of their parking lot right now. We got cars behind us, cars beside us on both sides. So we're going to wait until the Walmart closes, which is possibly 10 o'clock, possibly 9, I don't know. And then we're going to move around the parking lot. I think Gary might go in and just ask them where they want us to park, just to be on the safe side. So they don't usually wake you up in the middle of the night at Walmart's, but we don't get, tomorrow get in trouble. Anyway, yeah, we will be here 2 weeks. We got 2 weeks to wait for money, and we got very little left. I think we got $38 in one account and $3 in the other, or something like that. So yeah, very exciting times for us. Yes, folks, this is living the good life on the poverty side, and we do our best. But there's a few stores over there, and Gary's found a Canadian Tire. And we'll have a look and see if we can find a Home Depot fairly nearby as well, so that we might be able to go and get some Wi-Fi if we need it. And we're going to need it on payday, so yeah. Anyway, we got 2 weeks from yesterday until our next little tiny bit of money comes in. And then we will have another couple of days and we'll have our big checks again for the end of the month. And that'll be kind of a relief. And then we'll figure out what we're doing and what we're going and what's going on at that point. For now, I'm done for tonight, and I hope you all have a good evening, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye now.